project into three different ones. First, we have smart soil testing. Next, we have smart storage system. Last but definitely not least, smart irrigation system. First, we will describe smart soil testing.
Agriculture is the backbone of our economy, but farmers mostly have to rely on guesswork to decide on how much crop to sow and how much fertilizer to use. Our project solves this problem by providing farmers with accurate and actionable data about the soil conditions.
Traditional irrigation is slow and expensive. There is a need for a fast, portable, and affordable solution that analyzes soil health directly in the field.
So we built the project using a combination of sensors that can collect and transmit data about the soil conditions.
It measures critical NPK levels, soil moisture, humidity, and temperature, which are key for plant growth. Now I will tell you some of the components. Moisture sensor, DHT11, and gas sensor, all connected with the Arduino UNO, which has been connected with the Arduino wire to transmit data from the computer all the way to Arduino, which sends everything to the sensors. By this, all the values pop up on the computer. So we get to know how much nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, soil moisture, temperature, and humidity is in the soil.
Our project increases yield by 30% and reduces fertilizer costs by 15%.
It supports sustainable agriculture by reducing chemical abuse. This is a smart farm solution. Now let's move over to the next smart storage system. Our project monitors environmental conditions in real time to ensure optimal storage safety.
The Arduino gets electricity by the computer using an Arduino cable, and it sends electricity to all the sensors: soil moisture sensor, MQ2 gas sensor, DHT11, and all these sensors send the data to the Arduino, which then sends the data to the I2C module, and the I2C module displays the data on the LCD. Our project ensures automated monitoring of storage conditions without any human intervention. It has an ideal use in labs and warehouses.
This was smart storage system. Let's move on to the next and last. This is smart irrigation system. This project focuses on saving water and improving agriculture efficiency by using IoT. Traditional irrigation often wastes water and farmers have to manually check weather and soil conditions, which is time consuming. Our system automatically waters the soil only when needed, and farmers have to manually check the weather and soil conditions. VIII 5-volt, DHT11, ESP8266, and a soil moisture sensor with a water pump.
The advantages are it saves water, reduces manual labor, and it is a low-cost, efficient system.
This was our 3 projects called Smart Farm Solutions. We hope you liked it. Thank you. Have a nice day.